It all started with Tobias and Gregers and me being friends. The interesting thing is we knew each other through snowboarding, and we met in the mountains for the first time, all three of us. And that friendship we bonded back then, it's still one of the principles on how we run the company today. With Orgreen, we wanted to be the first sunglass brand coming out of Scandinavia. The interesting part was that none of us had any experience in designing it or producing it, so all of it was new to us. In the beginning, we had to learn quite a lot about how do you design a frame, how do you produce a frame. So just from the beginning till the first time on the market, it took us, I think, maybe 1.5 years to make 3 designs. Around 3 years later, we also decided to start making optical designs. We had a lot of customers buying our sunglasses and putting prescription into them. So the idea was a little bit based upon making sunglasses or making opticals based on sunglass designs. We came from a street culture. We approached everything differently, and I think that has given us a lot of advantages. When we started the company or where we are today, we kind of knew, because we were a small company, we needed to go new directions. And I think we've learned a lot, and it helped us to build who we are today. We've been challenging the old industry. We are part of a new direction where we had a lot of small companies or brands from around the world that kind of came in with that new energy and that new power and that new vision. 18 years later, you can really see, a lot of things has been going on. We've been developing a lot of concepts, gone in different directions, worked with different material. We've become more professional. And today we've become specialists in the area we work with. One of the things that makes our design so unique, our Danish heritage. It's also our approach of combining the old with the new. It's a question about how you look at the lines, the design, the finish, and how you all match it into a perfect balance. Back in 2003, we decided we wanted to start working in Japan. The reason for this was because Japan was known for the high craftsmanship and their attention to details. So for us, it was only natural to work with a partner where you could combine the Danish design with the Japanese craftsmanship. And that was the capital of the world if you wanted to work with titanium. We put so many details into our designs. We're so specific about small things that it actually takes a lot of understanding. And here the Japanese factories are very good at understanding, translating, whether it's the design, it's the details, it's the colors, and put it into an actual physical product. We want to keep developing new designs, new concepts, use new materials, and use new colors. We're never satisfied with where we are. Even though we have a high level today or high standard, we want to keep looking for a new direction or a new line or a new concept.